Welcome to Melessenz, where I help you to find happiness. In this video, I want to go deeper into how to balance your body out of the principle body, mind and soul. In my video Mind, Body, Soul, I spoke about why it's important to balance it. If you didn't see it, please check it out. Let's take a look about 3 parts: food, sport and healthy habits. A healthy diet is essential. It's important to give our body all the nutrition it needs. Everybody is different and every body needs something different. Our favorite things we like, we don't like, things our body can handle or not handle, or ethical or religion belief, which are shaping our diets. Here it's important to find your diet, your own perfect diet, to find the balance in your diet, in the things you love. It's important to reduce processed food, not eliminate. It's okay to have processed food, but in a way which your body can still be healthy and happy. As more natural you can get it, as more you know what's in there. In processed food, there are often a lot hidden ingredients, chemicals, a lot of sugar. Of course, sugar isn't our enemy either. There is also an amount which is good for our body or not so good. If we get fresh food, we know, or if we put in the sugar ourselves, we just know the amount we are consuming. And sometimes in processed food, the amount is hidden, or we are not aware. For example, we get some salty food, and then we didn't even realize there are some sugars inside as well. Sometimes ingredients can be even dangerous. Usually countries have laws to be sure it's in a good limit and the amount is not too much, but if you, for example, eat more than the calculated amount, it can be dangerous. Or you accumulate all the different food which including this ingredient, and then it might be too much for your body. That's a possibility. So less produced, more fresh and a good variety of food should help you to have a good balance in your diet. The important part is to get aware of what you're eating and listen to your body. Be aware how it feels like, how your body reacts. Do you feel good after eating? I, for example, always split my plate into 3 parts. 1 part is carbohydrates, 1 part protein, and 1 part vegetable. If I do that, I get a good variety of food. Protein I often eat are, for example, chicken, egg, fish, beef, tofu, yogurt. Carbs I often eat are, for example, rice, potato, oats. Vegetables. There are many vegetables and also fruit choices. I try to eat every day 5 different vegetable, fruits or mushroom to be sure to get every nutrition possible my body could need. Also, a lot of people are eating different colors. It not even looks really beautiful, it's also really nice because it including a lot of different nutritions as well. Since not everybody likes the same thing, or our body can or cannot handle certain foods, we have to find our unique style of eating. Try to analyze what you are eating. Try to write down what you're eating and how you feel after eating. What might be not the healthiest choice. Try to replace unhealthy choices with some healthy choices. Online you can find a lot of receipts to replace certain foods. For example, pizza. Yes, there is a way to make your healthy pizza. You don't need to eliminate it if you love it. You just make it simply healthier. Find your own balance. Sometimes eat your pizza delivered by your favorite store, and sometimes consider to make it yourself. If you choose some processed food, be sure to read the label. Be aware of what you're eating and if you really want to eat it or not. I also want to go a little bit into gut health. If your gut is healthy, you can get all the nutrition needed out of the food you're eating into your body. If your gut isn't healthy, you might have digestive problems. Even if you eat healthy, your body cannot get all the nutrition needed because it doesn't work properly. When you, for example, get medicine or you're not always eating so healthy, you may have eaten also chemicals which affected your gut health negatively. I definitely had my problem with my gut health and still have, because I really love Coca-Cola. I cannot stop it. I try to reduce it because I know my gut doesn't like it and I get a lot of digestive problem if I drink too much. Not only reducing helps, I also try to improve my gut health with probiotic foods. Probiotic foods are, for example, sauerkraut, miso, pickles, and a lot more. I personally love my miso soup. Explore your own style. Maybe there are also options for you. Sport. For our body, is sport or any exercise essential? What are you doing to move your body? If we don't move our body, our muscle is getting smaller and weaker. And just little movement or even sitting is starting to hurt because our muscles are not strong enough to hold our body in a healthy position. There are so many ways of sport or exercising. Find your own style. Again, what makes you happy is the best choice for you. Find something which really helps you to connect with your body. Really popular, for example, at the moment is yoga. It helps us to connect with our body part by part, muscle by muscle. We can connect with our body parts part by part without hurry and strengthen our mind-muscle connection, which we are often lose during stressful days. Let's connect again. I personally love strength training. It's compared to cardio, similar as yoga, a slow sport. It helps me to connect with my body, but choose what makes you happy. If it's cardio, if it's running, if it's walking out in nature or even dancing. Whatever makes you happy, that's the way to go. Is there any sport you like to try? Let me know in the comments below. Healthy habits. Do you have healthy habits or is there still a lot to improve? A lot of factors can damage our body. For example, stress, alcohol, less sleep, or chemicals, and a lot more. What things could you improve? Of course, again, we don't need to be perfect. We just need to learn to find our own balance. Not too bad, not too stressful, because we want to be perfect. Just the right amount of balance which makes our life better. The most points I spoke about are well known, but there is a point which is not always so obvious. Chemicals. There are a lot of chemicals which our body is confronted every day with. That's why I want to go a little bit into it. It would be useful to check everything you're using every day or even breathing in. Our skin is the biggest organ, and everything you put on it, it will take in. So it's good to be aware of what kind of chemicals you are coming in contact. What kind of cosmetic are you using? Do you know what's in there? Do you want to take this into your body? How about shampoo, conditioner, or body lotion? How about tooth cream? Also our clothes, or the soap we are washing our clothes with. Yes, it has as well an impact of our body. Also think about fumes. What are you breathing in? Do you have things which make your room smell well? What's in there? Is it healthy for your body? Of course, our body can handle a certain amount of chemicals. But sometimes it might get too much, especially if there are other unhealthy behaviors which are accumulating, stress, or we don't take care of our nutrition, and so on. All these factors could have an impact over time on your body. Try to find alternatives, things which are easy to replace. Maybe you always wanted to get a new shampoo, and maybe you can switch to a healthier version, which still works and maybe even improve your hair health. There are many possibilities. For example, you don't need to replace coffee if you really love it and the amount doesn't affect you negative. If you have a good balance with other good things you do for your body, there will be no problem to handle that for your body. But if you don't really like coffee but still drinking, it might be a good place to improve. I hope I could inspire you to take care of your body, to change a little bit, to explore your possibilities. If you care more about your body will be happy and will shine beautifully out of it. Thank you for watching. Stay calm and happy.